Hello everybody, it's Fordosa and I'm here with another video. So for today's video, I'm going to create this look, as you guys can see. Really pretty burgundy cut crease look, dramatic, glam, you know. I know like this little headpiece thing is crooked and it's annoying the crap out of me, but it's not fixing no matter how many times I try, and I'm just so irritated. So this is just what I'm going with. But yeah, if you guys like this look and want to see how I created it, just keep on watching. First thing I'm going to do is use my P-Louise eye base in the shade 0, and I'm just going to pat it on my eyelids using a flat concealer brush. Next thing I'm going to do is use my Bybel palette by ABH and use the shade Stevie, and I'm just going to go back and forth on my crease, and I'm going to blend a little bit outwards as well. That way I can get some room for the cut crease. And after this, I am going to use this burgundy shade from my ABH Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to go under the other shade and blend outwards as well. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and use the color Cindy, and I'm going to blend above the other colors to give a nice faded effect. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm just going to use my P-Louise eye base in the shade 0, and I'm using my MAC 242 brush to cut my crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the color Move from the Bybel palette using the flat brush of the standard brush they provide, and I'm just going to pat it on my eyelids. And above that, I'm going to go ahead and put the color Aura and just mix both of those together. Guys, so my camera stopped working. I was so sad. So basically what I did was I put a little bit of black on the outer edge of my eye on the end of the cut crease, and then I also used a loose gold NYX glitter towards the top of the cut crease, and I'll link down the products that I use in the description. Anywho, now I'm going in with a clean makeup wipe, and I'm just going to sharpen the shape of the cut crease at the bottom. And I know the black is a little bit messy, but we're fixing it now. I'm just going in with the black, patting it on, and then blending the edges to make sure that the gold and the black don't have that harsh of a line. And I will say black is so hard to work with. Now I'm just going in with my MAC Blacktrack gel liner and just the angled brush and getting it on my waterline just because I want that really dark effect. And before I do my lashes, I'm going to do the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and put on my Tatti TL3 lashes, one of my favorite lashes. As you can see, I'm feeling myself. I'm going to go ahead and use my pencil brush and use the shade Mulberry from the Soft Glam palette and just go underneath my eyes. After that, we're just going to take a clean wipe and wipe my whole face clean, and we're going to go ahead and work on my primer and foundation. For primer, I'm going to use the Benefit Porefessional Hydrate Primer. It is my current favorite primer, and I'm just going to pat it on top of my skin to let it sit on there better. And for foundation, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade Toffee. And I'm just going to pat it on my skin, and I'm using this brush that I got on Amazon. I'll link it down below. This is one of my favorite brushes for foundation. It's just like a buffing brush, and it's so cheap and affordable and comes in a whole set. And I'll link it like I said. And for concealer, I am going to use the Huda Beauty concealer, and this is the shade Cookie Dough, and I'm just getting it underneath my eyes, on my forehead, and on my nose. I'm just going to blend it on there with my same favorite buffing brush. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush, and this brush is from MAC Cosmetics, and it's a buffing brush as well, and I'm just going to use that to get into the smaller corners. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and grab more foundation and just put it on top of the concealer because I felt like it was a little bit too light, so I just wanted to blend in my foundation color on top of it to kind of balance it all out. And now I'm going to go ahead and contour. I'm just using Wet n Wild Beauty Thick Foundation in the shade Almond Amande. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and brush my MAC Mineralized powder in light medium all over my face. It's just a loose powder, and I like to use it to help brighten and matte down my skin. And now I'm going to go ahead and set my contour with the Hoola bronzer. And for blush, I'm just going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pool Party Trio. And for highlight, you already know my favorite, what I always use, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. And I'm just getting it on my cheeks, on my inner corner, on the ridge of my nose. For my lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Snatched lip gloss, Colourpop Cosmetics BFF3 lip liner, and the Bite Beauty Meriunge lipstick. And that concludes my makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to learn something new, and I hope you liked the look. And let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below. And comment down below if you have any video ideas for me. And go ahead and subscribe and like and hit the bell. And yeah, thank you guys. I love you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.